Hello and welcome back to ALH Success Lines Wellness and Lifestyle channel. In this lifestyle fashion edition for women over 40, although if you're not over 40, stick around because these are some tips that are universal as it relates to fashion trends. I'm going to share with you a few of my fashion looks, from casual to dressy to actually work. So sit back, relax, and I try to post a video each and every week, so I would love to have you as a subscriber on my YouTube channel. Please like, give me a thumbs up, and if you want, please comment. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching.